Don't never ever throw it avocado skin. Let's see what you can create. Today I show you magic. So avocado skin dry, you have to leave for 2-3 days, and after when it's dry, you try white resin. I will leave a link under my video where you can learn how to make white resin. Very useful. For after when the white resin is dry, you can put resin. It's up to you. You would like to do resin or not, but this is so beneficial for avocado skin to get more harder, and it's gonna be really hard. It's not gonna be very easily to break it. So that's we're gonna paint it, and you can do polymer clay if you want. That's up to you. So after when it's paint, you start decoration. As you know, I love glitters. So there, yeah, glitters, more glitter, more better, because I love glitters. So after when you do all this glittery, shimmery, magically look, you have to leave overnight. So after overnight it will dry, and you start decorating with artificial flowers, grass, moss, wherever you prefer. You just have a hot gun glue or just super glue and glue it. Yeah, let your imagination get dry and wild. Or I use some beads, whatever I left from my other jewelry. So I start decorating. Just bead, just how you like, how you prefer. As you know, if you have any question, you're welcome to ask. I'm just want to help you guys to be more creative. So for hanging this avocado skin, you need to make a hole and do anything like just a holder, just more look beautiful. And voila, your beautiful avocado skin is ready to hang. You can hang next to your creation table or children's room. It's absolutely up to you. It's so easy to make it, guys. It's so beautiful looks, and you can do whatever. You can add some fairy lights. It's your choice. So I hang it on my studio, and I can put it some beautiful rubby bunny, and that's for now. If you like it, please leave a comment or like or share with your friends. I will be so happy. So enjoy, be creative. Thank you. Bye bye for now.